Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can use Install Trust Wallet in Google Chrome. So let's jump right in. To begin, open your browser and click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, hover over Extensions, then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar to type Trust Wallet. Look for the official Trust Wallet extension. Make sure it's the one offered by trustwallet.com to ensure you're downloading the authentic version. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome or Add to Brave if you're using Brave browser, and confirm the installation when prompted. After the extension has been added, it will open the setup page. Here, choose the option to create a new wallet. You'll be asked to create a unique password. Make sure it's strong and something you'll remember. Once you've done that, continue with the setup. The next step is very important. You'll be given a 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase gives full access to your wallet and funds, so write it down and store it somewhere safe and private. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. If someone else gains access to it, they can access your assets. After saving your recovery phrase, you'll be asked to verify it by selecting the correct words in the correct order. This step confirms that you've securely backed up your wallet. Once that's done, your Trust Wallet extension will be ready to use. For easy access, click on the puzzle icon at the top right of your browser, and then click the pin icon next to Trust Wallet. This will pin it to your browser toolbar so you can quickly open it whenever needed.